Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is use an image as a background in Google Slides. When inserting an image into a presentation, have you thought this would make a good background for this slide? Google Slides allows you to use a picture as your background for the slides in your presentation, which will help you to enhance your viewers' experience. It is best to always use a picture that is reflective of the topic you are talking about. Let's look at how to use an image as a background in Google Slides. Open an existing Google Slide presentation or start a new presentation. For this demonstration, I will be using a new presentation. In the menu bar above the slide, click Background. In the background dialog box, click Choose Image to the right of the word Image. Make sure the Upload tab is selected and click Browse in the center of the screen. In the Open dialog box, find the picture you want to use, click on it, and then click Open in the bottom right. In the background dialog box, click Done. Please note, you will want to adjust the color of the text so it isn't blending into the background. On a dark background, such as in this picture, you probably want to use white or another light color. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.